Well, here's the next project we moved to. Got an old boat lift for this boathouse. The boat was probably a little bit too big for it, or the gears were wore out. Whenever a customer would hit the down and stop, the boat lift would continue going down without any power. So it had to go all the way down and lift it all the way back up again. So we're changing the lift out. Got the lift out here now. Got a new lift sitting over there on the dock. We're fixing to get some boathouse brackets. Take these little boathouse brackets down and put some stainless steel boathouse brackets up. Get these new lifts installed. As soon as we get all this done and cleaned up, I'll get some videos of it and get it posted also. Thanks again for watching the videos, guys. What we're doing now, a little additional platform going around this brick wall to the magnolia tree. Chase designed a paddleboard rack over there for the customer. He loved it. We put paddleboards there. And then we got a ramp, set the poles here for the ramp going down to the dock, a set of stairs over there. Then a little lift over there, we're going to put a platform on it to make it like a submersible platform they can paddleboard off of, and then put a new boat lift in there. Took the old one out. So we got a lot going on just on this. Got a majority of the framing done for the platform. It's going to fit right alongside this wall. Got a couple pilings left up over there. We're going to put a paddleboard rack on. It's going to be really nice. Got the ramp started in for the boathouse now. Little landing's already framed up, and now we're ramping down the other way to get all the way down to the boathouse. Should be able to get some through flow decking on this tomorrow. That's Chase has designed the ramp going up, little landing there, and another ramp going up. And you got a big old platform up there too for the paddleboard. Alright guys, we got all the decking laid. Little platform area here for the paddleboards. Chase did a good job cutting the contour around the brick wall here. Now we're getting started on installing all the handrails. Getting all the stainless steel brackets installed in the boathouse now for the side hanging lift. Check out this 3K elevator lift with through flow decking, so it could be a paddle board launch. Not looking good. All right, here's our completed project over here. They elevated the seawall here, so we had to elevate the dock to ramp it back up to the proper elevation so the customer would get down. Put a couple handrails up, some through flow decking, put a couple stairs in this area right here. It turned out looking real good. We went ahead and decked out this existing elevator lift that was here. They're going to use that as a, I think I said earlier, a paddleboard kayak launch, which will be real nice. You can drop it down in the water and get on and off your paddle boards. We did a little deck up there. We got a couple paddleboard racks coming for those poles there to be able to store them up there on that deck. And then we changed out his lift. Motors or gears were failing, kept going back down after he lifted up, so we got a 16,000 pound Golden Sea Dry boat lift in here. Very good lift, stainless steel brackets, heavy duty, I-beam bunks that supports boats. Looks good. A couple catwalks on either side. Over on the other side, we went ahead and dressed up his mooring pilings with some heavy duty bumpers. You can see them there. White piling caps, plastic line hangers, some cleats, so you can moor a boat in here properly. And the guys are in the, we also adjusted the bunks out on this boat here to have it set properly in the lift. The guys are on the barge now, hauling off, getting ready to go to the next job. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I appreciate it. If you got any comments, leave it. Give me a subscribe if you like it. And keep on watching. We got plenty more coming up. Thanks.